We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important information will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government and the United States Office of Civil Defense. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. 50 nuclear missiles have been detected and launched from an unknown location. However, it is believed that they were launched from either North Korea or Russia. This is a very dangerous situation. Every resident in the United States must seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear warfare. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It will only take a few minutes of impact for the effects of fallout to spread. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, local authorities will try to lead you to one. Take non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, blankets, flashlights, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. Tune to 98.9 FM for updates and important information during this dangerous situation. It is also unknown when the missiles will hit. Take cover now. Do not hesitate, or it may be too late to take shelter. Those who refuse to take shelter will most likely face certain death. Remember to turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Shut all windows and doors and seal all cracks as much as possible. Lastly, stay away from the outside world and do not leave your shelter for any reason until an all clear has been given. President Trump has been taken to a safe location and will speak shortly on all stations. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information. Emergency update. The 50 nuclear missiles targets have been identified and will impact in the next 5 to 10 minutes. These areas include Chicago, Illinois, Los Angeles, California, New York City, New York, Houston, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Honolulu, Hawaii, Jacksonville, Florida, Las Vegas, Nevada, Seattle, Washington, Nashville, Tennessee, Denver, Colorado, Portland, Oregon, Baltimore, Maryland, Atlanta, Georgia, Wichita, Kansas, Washington, D.C., Boston, Massachusetts, Raleigh, North Carolina, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Cincinnati, Ohio, Watertown, South Dakota, Fargo, North Dakota, Albuquerque, New Mexico, Boise, Idaho, Montgomery, Alabama, Jackson, Mississippi, Fairbanks, Alaska, Providence, Rhode Island, Detroit, Michigan, Salt Lake City, Utah, Billings, Montana, Casper, Wyoming, Omaha, Nebraska, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Des Moines, Iowa, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, St. Louis, Missouri, Little Rock, Arkansas, New Orleans, Louisiana, Indianapolis, Indiana, Louisville, Kentucky, Columbia, South Carolina, Charleston, West Virginia, Wilmington, Delaware, Newark, New Jersey, Bridgeport, Connecticut, Burlington, Vermont, Manchester, New Hampshire, and Portland, Maine. Take cover now. You have no time to hesitate. Take as many supplies as you can and get to your shelter now. If you hesitate or refuse to go to your shelter, you will die from either the blast or exposure to fallout. Take cover now.